2 root 3 minus root 2 over root 3 minus root 2. So this one's going to be a little bit more difficult because we're going to have to FOIL the numerator because there's two terms in the numerator, two terms in the denominator. When we multiply two terms times two terms, we have to FOIL it out. So that's the only difference with this one and the last few examples. So the conjugate of root 3 minus root 2 is root 3 plus root 2. So I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 3 plus root 2. Again, when I do the numerator, make sure I multiply everything by everything else. So I got to go 2 root 3 times root 3 is just 2 times 3. 2 root 3 times root 2 is 2 root 6. Negative root 2 times root 3 is just negative root 6. And negative root 2 times root 2 is just 2. What's worth noting here is that 2 root 6 minus root 6 in the numerator are not the same term, so they're not going to cancel out. That's why you have to make sure that you FOIL the numerator, even if you can FOIL, just FL, the denominator. So that's why I just FOIL all the time so that I don't get bad habits. But if you need a shortcut, which some people do, you can always FOIL the denominator, but you got to make sure in the numerator that you expand it completely. All right, multiplying the denominator out, root 3 times root 3 is just 3. Root 3 times positive root 2 is root 6. Negative root 2 times root 3 is minus root 6. So again, those are going to cancel. Negative root 2 times root 2 is just minus 2. So in the denominator, the plus root 6 minus root 6 cancel, but the 2 root 6 minus root 6 in the numerator, we need to combine. So 2 times 3 is 6, but 2 root 6 minus 1 root 6 is just 1 root 6, which is root 6, minus 2, over 3 minus 2 is 1, 6 minus 2 is 4, plus root 6, all over 1, which just means we're not going to write the denominator.